What's up, guys? It's Jeramie with JeramieLu Photography. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I will not be posting this on Father's Day, but you know, you get the gist. So we just went to breakfast and we saw a Lime bike. Now, if you guys don't know what Lime bike is a company that you can rent bikes and park it pretty much anywhere. So it's $1 per 30 minutes, and it was awesome. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about it, but I'm still technically riding it. So we rode it home. Yeah, there's 13 minutes left. So I rode it all the way home, which is 1.5 miles. So it gives you a little app here that tells you what you're doing and all that, which is kind of neat. But yeah, look how sweet this thing is.
Wait, should we look at the camera or look? No. You look like you're...
Right now we're taking pictures of him on the bike.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to get it? Yeah, maybe it should be open.
Chloe, after we do this,
We're doing a little photo shoot here to get us started. So how it works, guys, is you grab the app. I just did a Lime bike app. Here's the directions if you ever see it. But basically there's a lock right in here. So this little metal piece will lock into this when it's done after 30 minutes, or you can lock it when you're done. And it'll unlock when you're ready to go. First ride's free. You lock it, you ride it, and you park it anywhere you want. And so yeah, there's a little spot here for your phone. So your phone will go in there, you tighten it up, and you can keep the app open and it'll actually show you directions on the app, run your phone like you would normally. Well, look how epic this is. So if you guys see this around your town, grab it. They have now little razor type scooters as well. Just want to show you guys that. Quick little Lime bike in Reno.
They have razor scooters?
They have razor scooters in Tahoe now for it. So I think it's a pretty awesome idea. The only sucky thing is that some people in Reno are throwing them on top of bridges and water. Don't do that, guys. Just park on the side of the road. Somebody else will grab it. If you need quick transportation, I think this is a genius idea. I freaking love it, but it's also cool riding down the street in a, like, not even a BMX style, whatever that's, a cruiser style. It was awesome. So anyways, check it out. I guess we're doing some product placement now.
Stay there. You gotta put that down though.
Why?
Daddy, I'll film.
I want. You have to back up. What am I doing?
Just sit there.
Chloe, how about we do what you want to do right now? And then, like,
I thought you brought your pen with you.
Chloe,
We do.
just bring that we're like, photographers. What's that, Dad?
My pen.
What kind of pen is that?
It's a writing pen. Blow it up, big old. Oh, it's a ride.
No, Dad already.
It is. All right, I'm gonna do a ride by of my thing.
Wait, 1 second.
Dad, do you have that phone case?
Wait, let me
that
get a
I
picture.
you?
Hold on, I didn't get a picture. I did a...
It's not a razor. It's a writing pen. What is it? No, it isn't.
Lindsay, scoot back a little bit.
He thinks
22
Yeah,
minutes.
stay posed like that.
Oh, okay.
Dad.
Do you want to put your phone in the thing or no?
No, it doesn't matter.
Oh, we forgot something. We have to go to the store to get no, it isn't. He doesn't do that. Okay, let's go. And then after we'll come back home and get a vlogging camera. Well, I have my vlogging camera.
Okay, go ride real quick and then...
Lindsay, you're
We're
in the
leaving.
video, you know that, right?
Go ride real quick and then we're leaving.
Stay, Lindsay, scoot back. Lindsay, scoot back.
Well, you gotta tell me, dude. I don't know what you're doing.
Ribbon, go ride with Ryan real quick.
Why? Because. Don't ask why. Just go, bro.
I don't know if you're gonna see me.
Lindsay, stay right there wherever you are.
Go. Go. You ready? Yeah. Go. Hurry up. Keep coming.
Okay. Ryan's like, he doesn't do that.
Might have got busted.
No,
That's right.
Ryan
Okay.
just came across that book.
she's fine. Not Chloe. Babe, except for your...
Okay. Who's riding this? We're keeping this here for a while.
Let me try it.
Okay, we gotta go, babe.
What?
Dad, after you guys watch us
Why don't you just take Aaron with you?
Yeah, I just wanna.
I got one.
Yeah, take the end.
Well, I can just go by myself.
Okay,
That's pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was just a quick little video on the line bike. I'll put a link below on the description. And of course, if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. If this video helps you out in any way, give it a thumbs up. And I appreciate you guys' support. I will talk to you later. Going back to Father's Day stuff.